Hey, what's up, YouTube? It's Polly and Chucky. What?
Well, you paused like you wanted me to say my name.
Yes. How are you guys doing? I hope everyone's having a wonderful day. Today we're gonna be making like a vlog type video / packaging orders. We have quite a few errands to run today, so yeah, we are about to head to Aviva, which is a company which is a business that sells a lot of blank garments. So we're gonna show you how Aviva looks in Houston. I know there's like multiple locations, and then we're gonna
Oh, you don't say. I didn't know that.
yes, they have like 3-4 locations. But yeah, so we're going to print some orders, and then we're going to package some orders for our Etsy business. And yeah,
Just pulled up to Aviva, man. About to go in here and get these blank garments so we can start printing.
make sure you wear your mask, guys. It's crazy out here. So this is the Aviva in Houston area. This is where we get some of our blank garments. There's clothes everywhere.
You know,
So Aviva carry Gildan, Bella Canva, and they have a lot of vinyl stuff.
oh, this ain't even the right black.
What else they carry? I think, do they carry Next Level?
Huh?
What other brands do they carry here? I know Gildan, Bella Canva,
Next level.
Next Level. They don't have a lot of different brands, but
I got the own brand called Aviva.
and yeah, they have their own brand. They also sell machines like heat press machines, vinyl cutter. They have a lot of stuff here.
You say so?
Huh?
You say so. I love y'all children or someone get on my nerves.
Alright, so we just got to the print shop and we are about to print some order. This is our first order that we have to do. This person ordered 3 shirts. Make sure it's dark color standard. And I'm already printing one right now on a charcoal. This is the comfort color long sleeve shirt. Alright, so our next order that we are going to be packaging or cleaning up, she's going to be picking up today, is this order. She ordered about, I think like around 30 or 40 sweatshirts. So this order is embroidery. So I'm about to fold all them up and then put in a box for her to pick up.
Put me up on Instagram like this.
So we took a break from the print shop and we got some tacos. I think we vlogged here before, right? So we went to go get some tacos, street tacos. Street tacos are the best kind of tacos, I personally think. Yeah, this is one of the best tacos here in Katy area. Actually, it's probably like, I don't know, top 3 tacos in Houston area that I've tasted.
Stop the cat.
What do you mean? It is.
Yeah,
No,
it is.
what's that one next to Whole Foods? The expensive one. That's actually might be number 1.
Who?
Even though it's not authentic
That's the Whole Foods.
street tacos. Yeah, the one that we always get. In Sugarland. Alright, we're about to eat some tacos and then we're gonna ship some orders. Alright, so we're back at the print shop and now we're about to ship some of these orders. These are his Etsy order. He sells only his hats on Etsy and he sells his apparel on his website. So I'm about to go ahead and package these now. We weren't able to film as much as we want to, but we appreciate everyone who watches our video. Make sure you like and subscribe to our YouTube channel. And guess what, you guys? We finally reached 100 subscribers. I know it's not a lot, but hey, we all gotta start somewhere. Anyways, thank you, and we'll see you at our next video.